Right now, I will explain you about RD account and this Pygmy account. So, for opening the RD account and Pygmy account in a banking, there is an option called RD. Yeah, there you will get the RD opening option. Okay, there first you need to open the RD account. For that, you need to select the on which date you are opening and enter the member ID. Okay, so whose account you want to opening, their member ID you need to enter here. Okay, once you enter that one, their details will be shown, and then you need to select the plan, RD plan, whatever you have created in the admin panel. Based on that, it will display you. Okay, so this is the my RD plan I have selected. So after that, you need to enter the installment amount. So for example, 1,500 and 30. So if he is a senior citizen, then click on senior citizen, and senior citizen rate of interest will be applicable. So once you enter the RD installment amount, then the installment for each and every month will be shown, and based on the whatever installment you have set, it will show the interest amount and total maturity amount, and when it is going to be matured, it will be shown here. Okay, so then you need to select the action on maturity, whether you want to decide on maturity, that one you need to select and cross check the nominee details, and if you want to continue with the same, click on that one, click on continue with the existing nominee, or else change nominee if you want to change, then click on continue. Your confirmation page will be shown. From there you can create from there if you click on submit, the RD account will be opened, and here there is an option called view RD account related, all RD accounts. So you can check all the RD accounts which are created in this, like this, as you can see, like this you will get all the RD accounts which you have created if you click on that view RD account. So after that, if you want to get the installment inquiry for any RD account, then click on installment inquiry. Okay, here if you go, then select the RD account, which RD accounts installment inquiry you want to do. Select that RD account and click the enter their RD account number. For example, right now I am clicking this one and I will enter the installment details. Okay, if I click on proceed, it will show the installment details, like how much amount I paid, how much I need to due is there, that everything it will be shown. For example, you can see installment date, when I paid, status whether paid or unpaid, and here print option is there. If you click on that print, you will get the paid receipt. Okay. Then after that, if you want to pay the RD maturity for RD installment, for there is in a transaction there is an option called renewal option is there. Okay, if you click on that one, it will take you to the RD renewal page. There you need to enter the RD account number, click on proceed. Okay, then enter the amount, how much you want to pay. For example, I am paying entering 6,000. So based on that, it will show, based on the amount you entered, it will show how much installment you are paying. Click on continue. So it will show you how many installment you are paying, that as per your amount. And then if late fees are there, you just enter the late fees amount and click on submit. Your RD account will be paid. Okay, and here RD ledger option is there. So if you click on that one, you will get the ledger report, means by providing particular RD account number. If you search from date and to date, it will show you the RD, like as you can see, the RD account ledger report, on which day, how much amount I paid, the details will be shown here. Okay, then after that, here you will get the RD pre-maturity. So if you want to, if a customer want to pre-close that one, then there is option called pre-maturity. So there you need to enter the account number. Once you enter the account number, the details will be shown here. So if you want to give the pre-maturity interest, select pre-maturity interest there, then pre-maturity interest will be added to their account. So how much amount is there? 130 rupees. That interest amount will be added. Okay, then if you want to give the without penalty, if you want to give, then select the without penalty. The penalty will be of the 140 rupees whatever the premature interest is there, that added with the paid amount, then you can decide and you can pay that one to his SB account. Okay, so then this is about prematurity. If you want, after completing that particular plan, means it is 1 year means 1 year, 12 months, after 2 year means after completing the 24 months, then you need to pay the final maturity. There is option called pay maturity option is there. You need to enter the account number, then once all the paid details will be shown, and by clicking on submit, you can transfer that maturity amount to his SB account. In a transaction, there is an option called withdrawal option. So from their SB account, he can withdraw that whatever the amount he has paid. Okay. So if you want to print the RD bond and all, there is an option called RD bond print option is there. So you need to enter the RD account number here. So it will take you to the it will provide you the print bond option here. So you can print the RD bond. As you can see, like this, the RD bond will be printed. So within your letterhead, whatever the size I have explained you in the admin panel, if in that letterhead, you can print the RD bond. Okay, this is about the RD. Okay, so now I will explain you about the Pygmy. Okay, so for that also, in a banking, you need to go for the banking. In a banking, there is option called Pygmy. So here first one, Pygmy opening. Okay, so you need to select as you did in the RD opening, same thing, same process is there, nothing changed. Just here you need to enter the member ID, then again you need to select the plan which RD Pygmy plan you want to run. Then after that, deposit amount, how much deposit you want to pay, then it will show the interest and all. Then the decide on maturity, then nominee details will be done. If you want to continue, click on continue, or else you can change the nominee, click on continue. It will take confirmation page, it will show you, and once after that confirmation, it will Pygmy account will be created. So in view Pygmy account, you can check how many Pygmy accounts are created, and its related details will be shown here. So as you can see, these are the Pygmy accounts which are created. So you can it will show all the details related to that Pygmy, how much amount paid, what is the balance, everything it will be shown, and its status, whether it is closed or running, everything it will be shown. Okay, so here also you will get the installment inquiry. So by clicking on that, you need to enter the account number, and it will show you the how much installment you have paid and what is the balance left, and everything it will show. Okay, so it will overdue how much and total paid. It will take, and in print option is there, you can print the paid details. Okay, so after that same as in the RD ledger, there is a Pygmy ledger also. So here Pygmy ledger report is there. So you can check the Pygmy ledger also, providing account number and from date and to that you can get the Pygmy ledger report, so that you can export it to Excel PDF Word also. So as you can see, how much interest has gone, how much you paid, everything it will be shown here. And if you want to Pygmy deposit, there is option called renewal option is there. There you enter the Pygmy account number. As you paid the RD account, same as here also you need to pay that one. And there is option, there is also option for a pre-maturity and maturity here. So if you want to do the pre-maturity, then enter the account number here, and pre-maturity details, it will take you the pre-maturity details. If you want to pay the pre-maturity, select the pre-maturity, interest will be added to him. And if you want to waive off the penalty, just click on waive off, and penalty will be off, and click on this side, and whatever the amount he paid with interest, it will be credited to his SB account. So from there you can withdraw that amount. And then same with the pay maturity, after completing the full installments, you can do the maturity here, select, enter the account number, and the details will be shown. So you can Okay, based on the whatever the rate of interest it will be shown, and then you can decide and you can pay the close that. After closing that, you can close that Pigme account, and likewise you will get the Pigme, like SB also you will get the Pigme and RD passbook also, and you will get the Pigme bond, the Pigme passbook, and also you can print the whatever the Pigme he has paid, you can print that one. So this is related RD and Pigme. Okay, thank you.